Alright, y'all, another mystery pack from Storage Legends. We're gonna see what this is about. I'll just rip this in. Whoops, is that easy? Oh, I hope everything's in here. I hope everything's in here. It looks a little, okay. Old schools right here. I don't know, this one looked like it's been opened before. I hope everything's in here, but definitely. This one's a little dirty though, but beautiful cars though. I'm glad I did it on this video though, because you can see there's only 3 of them. There's nothing in there, so definitely don't check and see if this was correct. But this is another short video from mystery pack from Storage Legends. So peace out, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. All right, y'all. Peace.